keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Standard 5, Chapter 1, Topic History of Computers, Part 2. Children, as you all know, in the previous part, we learnt about the various generation of the computers. In this part, we are going to learn about the various machines which were used for different purpose of calculations and who invented them. In this part, you need to remember the name of the machine and their inventors. The first such machine that we are going to learn about is the very own abacus. Now, the origin of these inventors is unknown because there are various theories as to who invented the abacus. Some say it were the Chinese, some say it were the Indians, some say it were the Japanese. But still, we are not sure, hence the inventor's origin is unknown. Now, I'm sure you all know how does an abacus looks like. There are various types of abacus available, and they are the Japanese abacus, Russian abacus, Chinese abacus, which you can see in these pictures. Abacus was one of the very ancient calculating devices. It has evolved over time. The wooden frames were used earlier, but now it is replaced by plastic. There are rods, there are beads, and each rod represents a different value, that is ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And each beads represents the number, usually 1 or 5. The calculations are done by moving it along up and down. And I'm sure you all are aware how to use the calculator because you have its abacus subject itself. The next machine here we have is called the Pascaline. It was invented by Mr. Blaise Pascal. Now let's see how does it look like and how the calculations were done on this machine. Now this is a very unique looking machine with metal base and wheels for calculations. Let's see how the calculations were done. Now this machine was invented early in the year 17th century. It supported multiplication, division, addition and subtraction calculations. Adding and subtraction could be done easily, but when it came to multiplication and division, it was done through repeated addition or subtraction method. The third machine here we have is the analytical engine, invented by Mr. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, you all know, is also known as the father of computers. This machine looks huge with so many mechanisms into it. Let's see how does it work and what it had. Now this analytical engine was a fully programmed, controlled, automatic computer. It could perform any calculations set before it. You name it and it could do it. Now this machine was designed to consist of 4 components, that is a mill, the store, the reader and the printer. These components are the essential components of every computer even today. The mill was the CPU of the unit, the store was where the data was processed, and the reader and the printer were the input and the output device. Moving on to the next machine, that is the difference engine, invented by again Mr. Charles Babbage. Now this difference engine is a bigger version of the scientific calculator or the calculator used by the students of engineering for doing their complex calculations. The difference engine was designed automatically to calculate and tabulate mathematical functions called polynomials. These polynomials are nothing but mathematical calculations done in the course of engineering. The difference engine are so called because of the mathematical principle on which they are based. In simple words, calculating the value of polynomial can require all the 4 basic method of calculations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Moving on to the last and the most different machines of all what we have learnt earlier is the Antikythera machine invented by Mr. Hipparchus. Now this machine, like its name, is also different, very different, because it is not used like a normal calculator for calculating addition, subtraction or multiplication or division. Rather, it is used to calculate the positions of the stars and the planets in the solar system. It was used to predict the astronomical positions and eclipses for the calendar purposes. And also it was one of the very ancient hand-powered Greek analog computer, which has also been described as the very first example of its kind of a device. Before ending this chapter, now let's quickly revise the name of the machines and the inventors. The first one is abacus. Inventor's origin is unknown. Second one is Pascaline, invented by Mr. Blaise Pascal. Third one is analytical engine, invented by Mr. Charles Babbage. Fourth is difference engine, again invented by Mr. Charles Babbage. And the last one is Antikythera machine, invented by Mr. Hipparchus. With this, we come to the end of the chapter 1. Thank you, students, for your patient learning. Happy learning to everyone.